I wanted to share how I create patterns, FPP patterns, in Adobe Illustrator. So this is an image of the Tate Barn, which is a popular area outside of Park City, Utah. So I have a picture of the Tate Barn. I've created an image the way I want to create the pattern. And then once I've got it where I want, then I'm going to go ahead and start creating the pattern. So first thing I'll do is I'll select the pen tool from Adobe Illustrator, and I'll go through and I'll create all of the lines for my pattern. This would be something that you would do just like in EQ8 or any of the other programs or manually that you've done. Once you have all of the lines drawn, then you'll select all of those drawings, and you're going to go up to Object, and you're going to come down to Live Paint and click on Make. This will connect all of the lines and create that image and allow you to go into each section and color it. So if you use the Live Paint bucket tool, otherwise you could use K on your keyboard as the short key, you can go through and you can see each section that you can color in using either the palette that you have or use the eyedropper tool and select the color that's in your image. Once you have done that, we want to get to the point where each one of these sections we can take it as a piece of the pattern, select everything, and then go through and hit expand. Expand now, once you've done that, lets you take the direct selection tool, otherwise A is your short key, and you can go through and you can see that each pattern area can be selected separately. This allows two things. One, you can create a palette now. If you haven't created your palette already, go ahead, select everything, and new color palette, name your color palette, and this will create your color palette for the pattern that we're going to use. This also gets you ready for part 2 when we actually do the pattern piece and section creation.